Hi there, students. A sliding door. A sliding door moment. Okay, a sliding door is one of these doors that opens like this. Yeah, it doesn't open with a hinge, it opens like this. But a sliding door moment or a sliding door is one of these moments in our life where we make a decision, and this decision alters our lives. It alters our destiny. Moments where if we turn right, we do this. If we turn left, that we have different destinies. If I hadn't gone to the exhibition, I wouldn't have met the girl who I fell in love with, and my life would have been very different. So there are a lot of moments in our lives where we think we don't really think a great deal of the choice we make or the things that happen. But if things had been ever so slightly different, then our lives would have been radically different. And this is a sliding door moment. I recently saw this phrase used by the BBC to talk about a cricketer who made the England side because somebody else had been injured, and having got in the England side and played for England, he then got some very good scores, and clearly the injury of this other player was a sliding door moment. It gave him an opportunity, and it's changed his cricketing career. Okay, so a sliding door moment. This is where something happens, where the decisions that we make alter our destiny. They change things. These are seemingly inconsequential everyday incidents or decisions that affect the course of your life. Let's see, this phrase actually comes from a film called Sliding Doors, from 1998 with Gwyneth Paltrow, and the film is about a woman who misses a train, and then the film rewinds and it shows another version where she actually manages to catch that train, and the film then shows the different paths her life takes after either catching or missing the train. And this is the idea of sliding doors, or a sliding doors moment. It's where something changes radically. Just a very, very small decision makes a very radical change in your life. It makes your life different. It takes your life in a different direction. And if you think about it, in our lives we make so many little decisions, but those little decisions actually guide our lives. If you do one thing or you do another, these are sliding door decisions. If you go to one party, you will meet one group of people. If you go to another, maybe you'll get bored and fall asleep. And you don't know what life is going to bring for you. And this is the idea of sliding door moments. Let's see. There are many sliding door moments in the modern world. For example, if Princess Diana hadn't decided to go to Paris, then she wouldn't have been killed. Or they use this very often in football. I saw the signing of Eric Cantona by Alex Ferguson, the Manchester United manager, was something that made a very big change for the team. There are lots and lots and lots of versions or examples of this. If you take the plane and the plane crashes, or if you don't take the plane and the plane crashes, this is a very small thing, but it changes your way. However, this is a problem though. We can't second guess our decisions. We need to make decisions, and many of these seem completely inconsequential. However, they have significant effects in our future. This is the butterfly effect, that the movement of a butterfly's wing a million years later can completely change the society that we live in. So, sliding doors, a sliding door moment. This was a sliding door for the player, which gave him the opportunity, and from that opportunity he then became a famous cricketer. Sliding doors moment, a sliding door moment. Formality. I think I'm going to give it a 5 in formality. I think you could use it anywhere. It's an interesting metaphor. So, sliding doors moment, or a sliding door moment. Bye for now.